Hello, here's my complete setup to record and edit my YouTube videos. Here in this OBS program, I record my screen. Then when I'm finished with recording, I go to OpenShot video editor to cut my clips. Then when I'm done editing, I go to Audacity to reduce noise and then decomposition and maybe some other effects like amplifying. Then when I get that complete and finished quality audio, I take it back to OpenShot video editor and combine them and export the audio and video as a one file. Now let's say I completed a recording. Then I came to the folder. This is the raw version of a completed screen record from my previous video. I will open this up in OpenShot Video Editor. From the previous session I got that OSP file. Now I'm going to open it. You can import your video file with right click here, import files, and choose your raw video. Now here you see this is the edited form of my video, but if you wanna edit your videos very simply, what you could do is take this here. For example, I wanna slice this video right here into two pieces. I'll go right click, slice, keep both sides. Also you can keep left side, get rid of the right, or the vice versa. So after you have cut your clips, you have cut your raw video, what you could do is do right click, separate audio as single clip all channels, and you'll get an audio like this here. Then I come to export, advance, audio only. I export audio. Then when I did export in my audio, I come to Audacity. Let's open the Audacity file. This is the processed version, but in order to apply a noise reduction, you have to Control A and choose all the video. Then come to this effects, noise removal and repair, noise reduction. First you have to get the noise profile, then you get the noise profile. Come here again and you don't have to touch these default settings. Leave them as it is and click OK. First noise profile, then OK. Then when you did noise reduction, come to the effects, go volume and compression, amplify, and again you can leave this as it is. Most probably there will be a different number here, but that's not a problem. As long as your new peak amplitude is 0 decibel, it means this is the peak amplitude. Any more than that, the audio cannot be heard. So new peak amplitude should be 0 decibels, and you apply, then you are good to go. Some of the time I also want to apply some compression. I don't know exactly what it does, but when I give my audio to compression, it kind of makes it more radio-like, more television-like. So I do one compressor, then you export your file simply here as an MP3. Then you come to OpenShot video editor, import your file as an MP3, drag and drop it here. Then you export your whole video as video and audio, the both parts. You don't have to touch any default settings. Then export your video.